tornado warning effective until 6:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for people in the following location. In southeastern New Mexico, northeastern Cherries County, and east central New Mexico, southern Roosevelt County at 6:06 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. A developing tornado was reported by law enforcement officials near the community of Cannon moving east at 10 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm is also capable of large hail and damaging outflow winds. This is a dangerous storm situation. Act quickly. If you are in the path of this tornado, move to a place of safety below ground if available. Otherwise, go to a small interior room on the lowest floor possible. Avoid windows, abandoned cars and mobile homes for a reinforced building, or get into a ditch culvert.
Once upon a time, there was a car that was elegant, spacious, and refined. In fact,